Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. Quant is just doing what it's supposed to be doing here in this ABC pattern that we had off the wave 2. So you can see here the overall wave count since the low at around $40. We moved up in an impulsive wave structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the top here when we peaked at $133, and we then moved down or started to move down in a wave 2. Here a few days ago I made you aware of this descending wedge and a breakout of the wedge. We were expecting an ABC pattern anyway, a correction. It's a corrective wave pattern in 3 waves within a wave 2 correction. So it's a few interesting things that happened here in this correction. So first of all, my target for the end of the correction was already reached, which was here the wave A low. Now again, it's up to you how to trade this, if you want to trade this or whatever, but I can always only communicate to you the areas where I think a price is going to reverse. Now, we had that a few times here. We had here the wave 4 area, had this area. I missed it unfortunately by $2 or $3, but then we had this area again as a short opportunity, this area as a long opportunity. Now we touched this area, yeah, which is great. So we reached the target already actually for the wave 2. However, I am of the view that we will see one more sell-off. I think this is only the wave A of the 3-wave move of a wave 2. So I think this was only the first wave of the wave 2, which will be followed by a wave B, which we could be seeing at the moment, and then a wave C to the downside. I cannot rule out that this was already the low of the wave 2, and this is where your risk management comes into play. This is where the target area was already reached, and you could have bought in at $86. Now, I personally didn't, because I actually want to wait for a bit of a lower price here in a wave 2, but it could be by waiting I missed out. Yeah, I'm still of the opinion that we will come down lower. That would be in line with my Bitcoin view, my Ethereum view. Yeah, so that means plan is to come down lower in a wave C, either to the 61.8% fib level at $75.90 or the 78.6% fib level at $60. Any lower price than 60 would make me doubt the bullish scenario. Yeah, so I don't think that when Bitcoin, or should Bitcoin make a lower low, I don't think Quant will necessarily make a lower low as well. I think Quant will make a higher low. That's at least my primary expectation. Now again, that might change below $60, because if you break below the 78.6% fib level, in reality, it is unrealistic that it's still a wave 2. Could still work out, but it's getting less likely. And yeah, so at the moment it's just doing what it's supposed to be doing. We actually even hit here now my target for the wave B, the first one at least. That fib level here, again, you can see how relevant these levels are. Mentioned to you previously that there will be a lot of resistance come into play here. The 50-day moving average here at $105, and we actually touched my area, or that wave B area, at $107.50. Now again, Quant could max out this area all the way up to $124. Why do I say this? Well, because the wave B can be to a degree unpredictable, and if we look at the Fibonacci levels, the retracement levels of that wave, so let's take a look here. So we have still the 50% fib level to reach, which is at $110. Yeah, and then it could go all the way up, yeah, to here at $124. Key level is here also the 61.8% fib level at $115.67. So we can definitely go higher, but it could already be over. Yeah, so yeah, the time to long was down here, either when it touched the reversal area or after the breakout of the descending wedge. Both occasions we talked about, and now we reached the resistance level again. Possibility to take some profits if you want to, or just to try to ride the trend even higher. Okay, and that's my update about Quant. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.